Okay, everybody. Full chair assembly, as you can see. I got the mat piece on there. Had to do a little adjustments. There's the screws. This is hard to put in, but you have to loosen the screw up back here in order to get it to fit. This screw to fit in here. I got those two on. Pretty sure those are tight. Sound a bit different. Yeah, and the bar on the bottom. So you have this bar right here, which is this, and then you have this bar right here, or you can see it better. This bar right here, which is this right here. So it's just basically a 5-part assembly. One, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, which is this right here. So 5-part assembly. Now that I got one together, I might do it on camera for the next setup. So bear with me. I'm gonna get it ready and pull all the pieces out of the plastic, and then we'll start again.